Everybody, welcome back. It's Casual Baron and Haley Boo's head.
Yeah, he used to be 4'2".
So, we're back with this, the heavy whipping cream. But this time, I don't know if y'all seen the last video or not, but this time I want to make white chocolate. And I'm going to do that using this for sweetener. This is maple flakes. It's organic, it's natural. It's got all the certifications down here. My lady got it. Now then, let us begin. So first thing I'm going to do is, well, actually I want to pour the sugar first because I want to know how much sugar is in there. Once I pour that heavy whipping cream, I'm not going to see the bottom. I'm not going to be able to see the bottom. There we go. So, measuring by eye.
That's good.
Let's see, that's about a tablespoon, right?
Yeah, I mean,
a tablespoon in it. Yeah, a tablespoon.
it's good enough.
And we're gonna make we're gonna use 75 milliliters. I have little measuring things on the side here.
Oh, that cup has that?
So what is that, like 15 milliliters of sweetener? Whatever. Anyway, now, and I know that that's a measurement for liquid, but that's what the measurements are on here, okay? Now I'm going to fill it up to the 75 milliliter mark. So, give me a second.
What are you doing?
There we go, 75 milliliters. If my awesome assistant would please put this sugar back. Oh.
Yay, I'm your awesome assistant. I went from a assistant to a awesome assistant. Hire me, people. I'm an awesome assistant.
Oh boy, there's not an earthquake, it's just...
I graded up. It's just my dad moving.
No, it's not me.
He just walked in.
Don't worry folks, it's not an earthquake, it's just my dad walking. My dad's in the building.
See, Dad, that's how you make comedy gold.
Alright y'all, so...
Comedy gold.
Same rules as last time, only this time we have some sweetener in there. And the goal here is to make white chocolate.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Oh, set it for 20 minutes. 20-minute timer.
I was gonna put 15.
Set it for 20 minutes.
Okay.
If it's too much time, fine. If it's not enough time, we'll set another one. I just want to have an idea of how much time went by.
Awesome assistant. I was trying to make one on my face, but I gave up. Awesome assistant.
So we got to do the same thing we did last time.
Awesome assistant.
Alright, so I'm going to power through this phase.
It sounds disgusting.
Wait, where's the sound thingy?
It sounds disgusting.
I'm just recording for the sake of recording me shaking this.
We have a mug, people. Don't worry. How fabulous. Dad, have you ever actually used that as creamer?
I have.
Was it good?
It was like adding milk and butter to your coffee.
Oh, it's coming
It was
along.
good.
Would you say it's like adding butter and milk
Adding
to your
milk and
coffee?
butter to your coffee, yeah.
Weirdo. Nobody adds milk and butter to your coffee. Comment below if you add butter and milk to your coffee.
If y'all ain't tried milk and butter in your coffee, you should try it.
No, you should not.
Why not?
That's gross. To add butter to like coffee. You can add milk. Everyone adds milk. Milk
Oh
is
yeah, you
good.
can add milk, but you can also add a little bit of butter.
Don't add butter.
Like what? A half a teaspoon, half a. You know, like a shaving of butter. You know, enough butter we could taste it, but not enough butter to make it into a butter fiasco.
Like your lemon fiasco.
Yeah.
That's not a video. You sadly cannot watch our reactions. Dad, we gotta make that video where I crawl in the background of the wall. I'm like, welcome to Castle Barian's. I'm gonna do that on purpose. Welcome to Castle Barian's video. Dad, we're just gonna make it the stupidest video as possible. Okay, Dad?
This is microwave safe. This is dishwasher safe. This is made in China, and it says made in, and it's a Hawaii thing.
It's made everywhere. It's for everything.
Just a quick little thing. All right, if I go to a souvenir shop at a country, and I want to buy something to remind me of that country, and I look at the product, it says made in China, I'm not buying it.
It has to be made in that country.
It has to be made in that country. I'm buying a souvenir of that country.
Yeah.
Or state or whatever. Like
I go to
if
Hawaii.
I went to Hawaii and I buy something to remind me of Hawaii, I'm not going to buy something that says made in China. It says made in China, I'm going to... Well, I'm not interested. We're at the cream state right now.
Toss.
And it's been 8 minutes on the timer. Okie dokie, so we're at the stage where
it's basically feta cheese.
yeah.
Aw, I don't want to drink the milk this time. Dad, it's done. You spill it.
Because I'm gonna get all the liquids out.
Dad, trust me. Let me do it. I'm good at it. I can do it.
I got this. I have a technique. I use my chopstick skills.
I do it better. That's kind of like my technique, but it's like worse. I do better.
Worse? You do better?
Yes, I do better.
Alright, go flex your ego on someone who's gonna listen.
I'm better than him. You're trying it first.
Oh, that is good.
Dad, it smells like butter. Dad, let me try it then. If it tastes so good.
Hold on. Here.
It is good. It tastes like caramel. It kind of reminds me of horchata.
Now I'm hoping that the sweetness didn't leave with the liquid. I'm hoping that there's sweetness in this, which is going to
want
be
to hear
solid.
something that's annoying? It's too sweet for me.
Well, white chocolate is sweet.
It's too sweet though. I have too much of it at one time.
Okay, we have
You're trying it first.
our attempt at white chocolate. Well, it's got to be refrigerated because right now it's super soft.
Try it. Did it taste good? Is it good? Let me try it.
It's like it's light.
It's basically butter, Dad. It's like sweet butter.
Yeah, it's like sweet butter.
No, not.
But it tastes good. It's like
Dad, this is
it's
the
like
only.
it's like addicting in a way.
Dad, this is the only butter I'll ever have on pancakes. I don't understand how people put normal butter on pancakes. It just doesn't belong. I'm sorry people who put butter on their pancakes. It just doesn't belong. I'm sorry. I don't think you can even hear me right now. What did I just say?
Okay, well, I'm gonna lick this lid off, clean it, and then put it back on there and put this in the refrigerator.
Fish juice. Give me the lid. I'm doing it.
Here, you don't even need the lid. Here.
Careful, Dad. You might spill the butter in there.
No, the butter's solid.
That looks so weird.
But anyway, I'm gonna clean this out. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, have it harden up, and we'll be back. Hey everybody, so here we are, we're back with the chocolate,
Oh, wow.
and we're gonna try it. So, using my sharp knife here, cut off a piece.
Dad, you're trying it first.
There you go.
I
I
try it
try it
first. Yeah. It tastes bad. So...
It tastes like very light white chocolate, like very light white chocolate. Here, I don't know how to explain. Here, open your hand. I don't want to accidentally cut you. There.
Mmm! Oh my gosh.
Secret agent woman. It's really good. I'm actually surprised.
I want more. That's good. You guys, you can make pretty good white chocolate at home.
It's like, you know what it reminds me of? The centers of those white chocolates, like Lindt, you know?
Mhm,
And it
that's
has
what-
it's that. This is like the core of it.
It's like the middle of Lindt chocolate. You know, Lindt Lindor.
It's like sweet and creamy and just like really nice.
It's like sweet butter.
Just take it easy on how much you eat, because this stuff is like really obese.
1 tablespoon, 50 calories.
I know I'm totally breaking my own life code right now. But this stuff is good.
Here, life thing.
I'll do push-ups and sit-ups and stuff. Make up for it. Be active.
It's like, Dad, it's like creamy. Dad, you ate all the white. You ate, you're eating muscle. Doesn't Mom want to try some?
Oh yeah, I gotta leave some for Mom.
Follow
Here.
Mom.
Alright. I'm gonna take one more big old chunk and then that's it.
I wonder if anyone ever pays attention to the background of us.
Oh, I'm sure that they look at the background.
All the pictures.
Especially now that you brought it up.
Yes, start looking at the background. There's nothing special, just look at the background.
That was good. That was actually surprisingly good. So now y'all know how to make some homemade creamy white chocolate centery stuff, and just take it easy on it, because a little bit goes a long way. All right, you're gonna look like if I did this all the time too much, I'd be looking like a Michelin man. All right, I already got a belly. I ain't trying to turn into a
Secret agent.
Yeah.
That was the perfect timing. Like, I didn't even mean to do that.
Alright, so see y'all later. Oh,
Night and day, make it great. Blah, 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 blah.
another day, y'all make it great. Take care, and I'll see y'all in the next video. See ya.
Adios.